light lovers, I'm Sam from VODE Lighting. I'm going to go over our new ZipTwo lens options and some of their features. Our ZipTwo system has been a huge success due to its low profile, ease of installation, and versatile configurations. We've continued to build on the platform, and we're now offering even more shapes and lens options to expand the applications of the ZipTwo engine even further. But first, a little background. The ZipTwo system is defined by its backbone, an aluminum extrusion that houses the LEDs. The back of the rail is designed for simple installation with clips or a magnetic strip. In the past, we offered 3 profiles with ZipTwo: micro, round, and square profile. Today, I'm proud to reveal 5 new profiles for ZipTwo. With these additions to the ZipTwo light engine, we now offer a total of 39 different lighting profile options. The new profiles offer designers a variety of geometric form factors. We've expanded the depths for some profiles and adjusted the width on others, and our final profile has an asymmetric form for wall washing. One of the most exciting things we've done is not just create new form factors, but we're enhancing how ZipTwo delivers light. These new optics give lighting designers the power and flexibility to define spaces. Our square profiles offer a diffuse optic where light comes from all 3 sides. This optic provides up to 1,300 lumens per foot. Next, we develop critical edge where 2 sides are opaque and light comes from the bottom. The final 2 optics are side diffuse and single side diffuse. Side diffuse offers light from the sides while the bottom is opaque. Single side diffuse is where light only comes from one side. These new optics and profiles offer designers a toolkit to shape their spaces, adding drama and character to a room using only one light engine. We hope that this video has helped you understand all of the exciting new options designers now have with our ZipTwo line. Please reach out to your sales rep for any questions, feedback, or product demos.